got my first Grove order. This is my box. I'm so extra. Grove is kind of like one of those subscription, non-subscription services where basically you go on like an auto replenishment type of thing and you order natural products, seasonal items. You get lots of free gifts. So it kind of spoke to me. So I didn't open it. I tracked it and it said it was at my front door. So like I basically tore my door down getting out so fast. You know, I didn't want to open it beforehand because I would have peeked inside. I just don't have that type of self-control. Oh God, I'm about to hurt myself with these scissors almost. Alright. Ooh, first things first, a handwritten thank you. And then all my product list, my packing slip. What a nice touch that added thank you. Look, yay! Okay. Okay, so the first thing is my 16-ounce spray bottle. I believe this was one of my free gifts. In total, I spent $23. I believe shipping was free. Let me double check. Yes, shipping is free. Always free. I got how many things? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 items. 8 items. Okay, so let me just explain why I got this glass bottle. I'm a sucker for glass bottles and glass drinking bottles, glass spray bottles, all that. This does not disappoint. It has a little frost because it's snowing and it was outside. So typical glass fashion, it has frost. Good, doesn't feel cheap. It has the Grove collaborative logo at the bottom. Can you see that? Can you see? Yeah, you can see it. Okay. And it's like that Seafoam bluish green color. Put everything off to the side so you can see it. Alright. Okay, my glass dish soap bottle. I'm so excited. Look how pretty everything comes in. And I got like a pomegranate scent. So it has the pomegranate right there. So this is the bottle. It's 16 ounces too. The quality, you guys, like, oh, I opened this one. Let me tell you a quick story. So when I was in DC, I love DC also, there was this coffee shop that does the cold brew and they pour it into a glass bottle. At the time I was not a coffee drinker, so I did not get the coffee. I stood in that long morning traffic line to get coffee. And I go up to the counter like, can I just buy the bottle? He's all, sure. So, yeah. Anyway, look at how pretty this is. Ah, look at the detailing. Very shabby chic, farm style. Grove collaborative on the bottom. Another good quality stainless steel right here. This is what I'm talking about. My gel dish soap. You guys, look how pretty this is. So you refill it. It's refillable, of course. So it's more than 95% bio-based, no synthetic fragrances, dyes, which is very important because I am not one of those people that likes fragrance on my dish soap, because sometimes that scent can linger in your pot. So when your pot starts to warm up, it'll kind of smell like, say you got the lavender dish soap. Like, I'm not one of those people that likes that. So hopefully this does not do that. This guy is the, can you see me? The Caldrea Aromatherapeutic Housekeeping Sea Salt Neroli number 17. So, countertop spray, very important to have a good countertop spray. I hate sticky countertops. I'm constantly cleaning and wiping down my countertops at home, and I go through so many products. So, let's find out. And I like how they taped it. Okay, this is big, so that it has not, ensuring that it has not spilled in transport, because that does happen. I received some stuff from a company that will not be named, and all my stuff was basically broken inside already. Let's see. This smells like... Okay, let me set the tone first. This smells like just like a beachy breeze. That, oh, sea salt, right? Sea salt. It definitely fits. It smells like a tropical vacation morning breeze while you're sitting out on the patio of your hotel room having breakfast. That's what it smells like. I got some sponges. You can never have enough of these. These are biodegradable also, and they come sealed 2 in a pack. Okay. Scrubber sponge, soap, walnut. The color is walnut. So, I guess this was on it. Like that. Yeah, non-abrasive scrubber. So it won't scratch up your non-stick pans. Hand sanitizer spray. I did buy this mainly because it comes in spray bottle form. It's just easier for me with my kids to just get their hands when we're out in public and spray it down, as opposed to squeezing it out and then it's dripping, and then the little one is like trying to eat it. So it's just like spray and go. A little spray and 2 ounces, perfect. We're going on vacation soon, so this can go right in my carry-on. Make sure we are still recording, honey. I would hate to have did all this and recording is gone. There's another thing that I purchased. I was excited for this. It's Yes to Coconut. And it is, again, spray bottle. My spray bottle obsession is real. Okay, really, my camera has gone crazy because it's saying there is no memory, there's no space on my memory card, which is completely untrue because I just deleted like 10 videos. Yeah. Let's check out the Yes to Coconut. I'm sure you've heard about this one. You can find this Target, Walmart, even Dollar Tree has a face mask. So, oh yes, I am a sucker for a spray. Look at this. This is not their line, of course. This is just a company that they collaborate with. Ooh, smooth. Good shine to it. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. This is a free gift. This is what sold me. Yeah, like, okay. So this is a cleaner caddy. Look how cute it is. It's very fall fashion forward, okay? The house has to be fall fashion forward as well. So yeah, there's my little caddy. Sturdy. I'm probably gonna leave this down in here so that it can absorb. These are just so beautiful. I can't get over the detailing on them. So let me give you a little close up. For video purposes, to not drag on this video too long, in my description I will put what I paid for it, which was my free items, and like I said, what I paid for it. So thank you for tuning in. I hope you've enjoyed our unboxing of my first Grove order, and I will see you next video. Don't forget to subscribe because I have some more stuff coming. Thank you for all my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and not just checking out my video and leaving, but first sticking around. All right, you guys, I'll see you in a couple of days. All right, take care. Bye-bye.